Dear friends, welcome to Smart Money YouTube channel. As you are aware, our channel is based on the theme business, finance and investing. We give our best effort to bring videos on the topic of investing, business and various government schemes in both Assamese and English language. Today in this video, we will discuss about an innovation contest called Dare to Dream by DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization of Government of India. This scheme is to promote individuals and startups for innovation in defense and aerospace. The contestant will have the opportunity to win cash award up to rupees 10 lakhs. Before going ahead with the video, we would like to request you all to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also tap the bell notification so that you never miss any new video published by our channel. Also give your feedback through the comment section and do not forget to like the video. DRDO Innovation Contest Dare to Dream 2.0 has been launched on the 5th death anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, former President of India, who had a vision of self-reliance. The scheme is being launched for emerging technologies to promote individuals and startups for innovation in defense and aerospace technologies in the country, after the call of Atmanirbhar Bharat given by our Honorable Prime Minister. Dare to Dream is an open challenge to promote the country's innovators and startups. The winners will be decided after due evaluation by the expert committee. A cash reward of rupees 10 lakhs for startups and 5 lakhs for individuals will be given to the winners. The objective of the program is to unearth disruptive ideas and concepts in emerging technologies identified by DRDO for enhancing defense capabilities. Now let's come to the eligibility for individual, and individual should be citizen of India and above 18 years of age to participate in this contest. And for startup, the startup should be controlled by Indians and recognized by DPIIT, Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, under Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India. Now the selection process, the application submitted by the contestant will be screened by Domain Expert Committee. Shortlisting and ranking will be done by Independent Expert Committee. The awards for individual, the first prize will be rupees 5 lakhs, second prize will be rupees 4 lakhs and third prize will be 3 lakhs. And for a startup, the first prize will be 10 lakhs rupees, second prize will be 8 lakhs rupees and third prize will be 6 lakhs rupees. And some important dates, the last date to apply for this contest is 15th October 2020. And as we have already mentioned, there are only two categories, that is one for individual and another for startups. Okay friends, let's come to the application process. Applications to be submitted through online mode only. Applications to be submitted either in individual or startup category. An individual having a startup may apply in the capacity of an individual as well as startup. Select the challenge, that is the category for which you want to make submission. An individual or startup can apply for not more than 5 area of challenge. You are required to provide a write-up of 200 words for each challenge selected. You can also submit it as an attachment in PDF format that should be less than 2 MB. To participate in this contest, you have to visit this website and register yourself for this contest. Area for the contest. These are the broad categories under which you can submit your challenge. So you have armament technology, electronics technology, microtechnology and cybersecurity, naval technology, system modeling and analysis, life science technology, aeronautical technology, aerospace engineering. So these are the broad categories. For further details, you can visit the website. So dear friends, this is a very good opportunity for a talented individual or a startup firm to participate in this contest and contribute their innovative idea in the area of defense and aerospace, and thereby helping the armed forces of our country. I hope you have liked this video. Kindly share this video so that more viewers can get to know about the information and may participate in this contest. We would like to thank you for watching this video.